Welcome to another Ask a House Cleaner rabbit hole episode. This is volume 3. I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now, sometimes we don't have the entire show dedicated to one particular question because it might be a fast answer. So in the rabbit hole episodes, we dig lots of tunnels, we answer lots of questions, and we get your questions answered one way or the other. All right, these are fun for you, and they're fun for me. Let's get started.
I truly just need a storage unit cleared out and given to the Salvation Army. I have not been in it for 2 years, so there's nothing in there that I need. The Salvation Army is 1 block away from me. I am currently disabled and have been since 2017.
I love the fact that you are cleaning out a storage unit that has stuff in it you have not used in a couple of years. This, I guess, is stuff you no longer need, want, or use. So kudos and hats off to you for making this huge decision. Now, I know that the Salvation Army does have a history of coming by and picking up stuff. I don't know if they'll pick up all of it, but they might pick up a lot of it, if not all of it. So I would definitely give them a call and exchange where you're going to give them the key or the alarm code or however they're going to get into the storage unit. And then just have them confirm with you once the storage unit is cleared out so that you can close your account and you don't keep paying for that. I'm going to also leave links in the show notes. If you click on the words show more underneath the video, I have a list of other places that you can also call that will come pick up for free. So if the Salvation Army doesn't pick up everything that's in there, the other companies might pick up the rest of it. All right, I hope that helps. I'm super excited that you're making this journey. Keep me posted. I do want to hear how it turns out.
I want to find houses to clean.
Finding houses to clean is a whole lot easier than finding someone to hire you to clean the houses. So what I recommend is that you list your business on what are called business citations or business listings. That's where you go to Google or Yelp and you list your business so people can find you. Now, if you go to a place like housecleaning360.com, that is designated for the cleaning industry. So it's places where Airbnbs go to find cleaners to come in and clean their properties. Homeowners go there to find people to come in and clean their properties. It's specific to the home. So I recommend that you go there and you list your business. There are paid and free listings. And so the free listing will get you out in the marketplace so that at least you can have a conversation with people as you're starting out your business. Then as your business grows, you may want to add in videos and pictures and advertising and appointments and all the extra stuff that go along with the paid listings. So check it out at housecleaning360.com.
Hi, Angela. I have a question for you. I've been having difficulty getting my Murphy oil spray. So I was just wondering, can I make my own? I've got the original Murphy oil, and can I combine it with water and anything else to make my own spray? If you could let me know, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, you can dilute a concentrate and put it in a spray bottle and make your own wood cleaning spray. Now, the key is concentrate, and the next key is the word dilution. So concentrates are designed to be diluted with water only. The hard, fast rule about cleaning chemicals is because of the pH scale, we don't ever want to mix chemicals that were not designed to be mixed. So unless you are a chemist and you are in a controlled environment like a lab and you have people that will rescue you and you've got personal protective equipment on and you are able to recover the situation if something goes south, you don't ever want to mix cleaning chemicals, okay? For the most part, most of us are not chemists. And so if you mix one cleaning chemical with another, it could cancel it out or it could create toxic and harmful fumes. So you can dilute a concentrate with water, but we never, under any circumstance, want to mix cleaning chemicals. All right, there you go.
What do you do when you're sick and you have to tell your clients? Also, do you give them a discount or a gift for missing that time of work?
Nobody likes cancellations, including customers, including house cleaners. So if you are the house cleaner and you have to cancel on a customer, that is super inconvenient for them, but there's no discount and there's nobody that gives the money back, okay? It's like if you were to go to the dentist is going to charge you a fee if you cancel at the last minute. But if they have to cancel on you, they're not going to give you any discounts and they're not going to give you any money back. What they're going to do is make a phone call and say, hey, we're so sorry, something came up. We're going to have to reschedule your cleaning at the next earliest convenience, right? And so then you just reschedule whenever and say, oh, my dentist had something come up or they were sick or whatever. And you try to make those accommodations. So we ask that your homeowners make the same accommodations for you. Now, one of the things that we've done at Savvy Cleaner is everybody on our team has had a slot during the week, different times during the week, where we clean their house. They either clean their own house or we swap and someone else comes and cleans their house and they clean someone else's house. Okay, so there's a swap program where everybody gets their house cleaned every week on our team. So we theoretically have open slots during the week that we can swap with a customer in the event that we have to use one of those slots to trade out with a customer who canceled or we had to cancel on them. So there's a little bit of negotiation, but it's within our own schedule and it doesn't throw another customer off because it's someone on the team. So if you have a team you can rotate between, great. If not, and it's your own house, maybe you have your own house on the schedule. I know I've always had my house on Friday at 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. my business closes down. That's when I do my house cleaning for the week. And if I have to swap my 2 o'clock Friday time slot with another customer because I had to reschedule, because I was sick or because they were sick and something happened, I can take their time slot during the week and I can give them mine. Does that make sense? So there are ways around it, but we don't give any discounts and we don't give anybody's money back.
How long should it take to clean a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, move-out apartment that is very dirty?
This is a trick question because I don't know how dirty is, and I haven't seen the property, and I don't know, is it actually empty when I get there? Lots of times you go to a move out clean and we're almost moved out and there's still boxes of stuff around and there's furniture and you're trying to work around stuff and it's chaotic. If the place is completely vacant, I'm going to give myself 5 hours for that job. I say 5 hours because it's going to be empty, so I'm not dusting furniture and all that stuff. What we're going to be doing is ceiling to floor, wall to wall cleaning, right? We're going to be cleaning all of the appliances and we're going to be cleaning all of the fixtures, which are in the bathrooms. So I'm guessing for a 2-bedroom house, it either has 1 or 2 bathrooms. And with a kitchen, there's probably a stove, an oven, a refrigerator, a microwave, and a dishwasher, right? So those items can be started in some kind of a process while you're cleaning the rest of the house. So for a 2-bedroom apartment, I would say 5 hours for that. Is there something there that's going to require an inordinate amount of time? And then also, what else are you billing? Is it possible that there are stains in the carpet you're supposed to get up? Or are you washing windows? Or what is the scope of the job? And so it's going to depend on how you bill the job and then what is your average norm. But for me and my company, we would probably bill that at about 5 hours. Alrighty, and that is our rabbit hole episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you have a question, go over to askahousecleaner.com, click on the blue button, send your questions to me here at the show, and maybe you will show up on one of our rabbit hole episodes. Alrighty, until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.